Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some great machines and what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more like it. First up, we have the TL745D from TIMBERPRO Z Series. It is a feller buncher that you can equip with various harvesting attachments. Its new cab offers improved visibility both out the front and out the boom side. The heart of the machine is the Cummins L9 Performance Series Stage 5 engine that has the capacity to supply 338 horsepower at 1800 RPM and a maximum torque of 1,125 pound-feet. Its engine is also fuel efficient, plus offering long maintenance intervals that contribute to a reduced cost of operation. Here, this machine is equipped with the QUADCO 27SC, which is a high-speed saw designed to harvest 65-inch diameter trees. Next, we have the TROM 8, a heavy-duty forestry mulcher best suited for mechanized cleaning and expansion of clearings for power lines, oil, and gas pipelines. Its extra-wide tires enable it to float and navigate across inaccessible places such as crossing heavy swamps, water barriers, and other obstacles. The machine can actuate any hydrofocated hitch weighing up to 1,000 kilograms. It has a very powerful weight and extensive hydraulic system. Hydraulic flow to attachments is up to 200 liters per minute, with working pressures of up to 350 atmospheres. It's equipped with a powerful, economical, and reliable industrial turbo diesel manufactured by Perkins. The mulcher can work in protected areas in places where it is forbidden to disturb the ground cover. It can also mow the forest without touching the soil. Next, we have the AMI Rock Ripper, a robust tool designed for cutting through a variety of rock materials and hard terrain. It has been designed for sites that require digging deep into the hard bedrock. It is a single-tooth ripper that concentrates penetration power to a single point, breaking up dense, hard rock material. At the core of the ripper is its thick shank made of hard ware plate for a long-lasting durability. Taking the brunt of the impact is a replaceable tool and shroud, protecting the shank from damaging effects of hard friction and abrasion. It is welded into the Hardox tube top mount that provides structural integrity against the heaviest stress of ripping forces. Next, we have the Stair SGF 1000DL, a new drive concept that transmits an enormously high torque to the cutting teeth with relatively little drive power. This self-propelled machine with the same drive concept is designed in such a way that the cutting wheel is always driven from the center via the gearbox. Only relatively small cutting depths can be achieved. It's perfect for broadband expansion because it's many times faster than traditional excavators. Its milling wheel is equipped with hard metal picks that don't stop at stones in the ground. Even in winter, when the ground is frozen 60 centimeters deep, it can be used without any problem. Up next is the FAE PT300, which is the appropriate tracked carrier for the most demanding operations, such as managing woodlands and forests or building fire breaks near power lines, oil and gas pipelines. Because of its strong construction and oscillating undercarriage, it is compatible with a broad range of FAE hydraulic equipment, including forestry mulchers, cutters, stone crushers, stump cutters, and dozer blades. The low operating weight of the CAT C7.1 A-Cert straight 6 engine allows it to function on steep slopes and soft terrain. The hydraulic system ensures reliability and efficiency. When it comes to comfort and operator safety, its roomy cab is unparalleled. The machine is comfortable working on steep, soft, uneven, and marshy terrain. You're now watching the CAT Rock Straight system. It was developed for continuous mining of hard rock mineral deposits that are flat or tubular in shape, as well as reefs. Compared to conventional drill and blast mining, it provides a safe and secure way to extract deposits. The design of the two cutting heads allows the picks to hit the rock at an optimal angle to utilize its tensile strength, which is just 10% to 20% of its compressive strength. Each cutting unit has a 177 horsepower motor and can cut rocks with up to 17,404 psi uniaxial compressive strength, with a hauling capacity of 176 tons per hour. The system has a low-profile hard rock chain conveyor and hard rock hydraulic sealing supports, which offer simultaneous cutting, loading, and hauling. Last but not least, we have the M323F from Caterpillar. It's a modern two-way excavator developed specifically for use on the rails. With the short tail, the innovative track wheel drive and braking system for the track wheels, and the sophisticated but easy-to-use control system, it sets new standards in mobility, lifting capacity, and safety. The M323F ensures safe propulsion and powerful acceleration up to 20 km per hour. Due to the high ground clearance, the safety devices in the track bed remain unaffected when driving. It's powered by a 173 horsepower engine. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.